Let the rain fall. Let it soften. Let it soak away what doesn't belong. Chapter 9. Let the Rain Fall. An NSDR journey to release shame, guilt, and pain. Imagine standing outside in a quiet storm. Soft raindrops beginning to fall. Cool and gentle against your skin. They don't rush, they don't push. They just fall with the kind of patience only nature knows. Each drop hits, and with it, something begins to soften. Let the rain fall. You may not realize it, but there's a part of you that's been holding on, clutching to something that doesn't belong anymore. Maybe it's shame. Maybe it's guilt. Maybe it's the weight of things you never deserved, but have carried for far too long. You've forgotten how to let go because for so long you were the one who had to hold it all. But here, in this moment, there's a gift